Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're based in Sydney and you're having issues with your laptop, you're in luck. Today, we're sharing our top pick for laptop repair services in Sydney, Laptop Repair Sydney New. Laptop Repair Sydney New is a trusted and reliable company that has been serving the Sydney community for years. They offer a wide range of services, including hardware repairs, software troubleshooting, and data recovery. Their team of skilled technicians is trained to handle all types of laptop issues, from simple fixes to more complex repairs. They use only high-quality parts and tools to ensure that your laptop is returned to you in perfect working condition. But what really sets Laptop Repair Sydney New apart is their customer service. They understand that a broken laptop can be a major inconvenience, and they strive to make the repair process as smooth and stress-free as possible. They offer flexible appointment times and quick turnaround times, so you can get your laptop back as soon as possible. If you're in need of laptop repair services in Sydney, we highly recommend giving Laptop Repair Sydney New a try. Their team of skilled technicians and commitment to customer service make them the best choice for all your laptop repair needs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more great content. See you in the next video.